Imagine a world shrouded in darkness, not from a power outage, but from an intelligence outage. This is the chilling scenario when AI goes dark, a digital blackout where the algorithms that underpin our modern world cease to function. The invisible hand guiding our complex systems vanishes, leaving us grappling with the sudden absence of artificial intelligence. This isn't about sentient machines turning against us, it's about the failure of the intricate, interconnected systems we increasingly rely upon. These systems, powered by artificial intelligence, manage everything from traffic flow to energy grids, healthcare to financial markets. Their silence could paralyze our world in ways we are just beginning to comprehend. Think of it as a sudden loss of sight for the digital nervous system of our planet. Data, the lifeblood of these systems, would no longer be analyzed, interpreted, or acted upon. The smooth, automated symphony of our interconnected world would descend into chaos, leaving us vulnerable and disoriented in a reality we barely recognize. The very systems designed to enhance our lives could, in their absence, pose the greatest threat to our well-being. Our task is to understand these vulnerabilities and build safeguards before the lights go out. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, woven into the fabric of our cities, our homes, our lives. We may not always see it, but we rely on it every day. AI optimizes traffic flow, predicting congestion and adjusting traffic lights to keep us moving. It underpins our energy grids, balancing supply and demand to ensure a steady flow of electricity to our homes and businesses. In healthcare, AI aids in diagnosis, analyzes medical images, and even assists in surgery. Our financial systems depend on AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. These are just a few examples of how AI silently orchestrates the smooth functioning of our complex world. It's the invisible conductor of a vast symphony, ensuring that all the instruments play in harmony. But what happens when the conductor falls silent? The consequences of AI failure are not theoretical. We have already witnessed glimpses of the chaos that can ensue when these systems